Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into Ethereum. Once again, thank you for your support, okay? Big up the CoinsKid crew. Thank you to each and every single one of you. Thank you for sharing the videos and thank you for liking the videos as well. And if you can please like this video, it'd be amazing. So, Ethereum's looking really, really bullish, isn't it? It's looking really, really good. You're slowly moving up the stairs. You're conforming to the fibs. You're breaking out key levels of resistance. You're falling into this and backtesting support. There's one area of support that was not necessarily ever backtested. So if there is ever a large correction in the market again, all you got to do is put some cheeky bids just there, okay? It is a bit of a correction, to be honest with you. It is a bit of a correction. And the only reason I'm saying put some bids down there on that 3153 is because you can see it was never backtested on the daily as support. When you break resistance, you do usually come back to it and see the backtest of support. Okay, and you never did here. You never backtested that particular neckline, this WW bottom pattern, ascending triangle. You never ever backtested its support. So if you do see a large correction in the market, and you're fully aware these things can happen, you do go through these sort of corrections. If you do see a correction, just put some cheeky bids on 3153. The end of, okay, and you might see a little sort of rollover, a little wick down and think, oh my god, how did it get all the way down there? Look at that wick there. This is what happens, look at the wick there. This is what happens, and people are scratching their heads. Why did it wick down there? I mean, look at that wick on the 55 just there. So yeah, but you are retracing, you are bullish, you are creating a beautiful ascending triangle here on a daily time frame. Look at this, you ran into the all-time high, but just here you're creating a beautiful ascending triangle. So you are technically really, really, really bullish here for Ethereum, and this potential rollover and this retest of this neckline may not ever happen, okay, but it's just a target that is there if you do see a correction. And if we do roll over and we come back down, you might see a little wick down and come back up into the pattern. You think, well, what, how the hell did it go down there? Because it never backtested that previous resistance and support. Okay, really is that simple. It's charting 101. So yeah, so have it on your radar, but it doesn't mean it has to happen. So for me, Ethereum is really, really bullish. You can see, I'm seeing a lot of people say this is a double top. Okay, a lot of people are saying it's a double top, but I don't think it is. I could be wrong, obviously. You've ran into that resistance and you've wicked into the resistance there, but you're creating a beautiful bullish continuation pattern right there for me, for Ethereum. So potentially, if you start to break out there, this is where you're going to see that impulsive move to 4583, which is our technical target once we broke this kilo resistance here, this inverse head and shoulders pattern for Ethereum just there. Okay, you came up, and like I said to you want to see that backtest of support. You've got that, and you're looking for continuation. If you do roll, you've got your cheeky support down there, but I do think you're calling up for a breakout, okay, and you're going to be looking at that relatively soon. You could even do something like this where you come all the way up there and then roll over to that like that. People think you're going into a bear, but then you get another extended wave up, because this is what it does. It moves so violently, impulsively. Look at this. People think you never have a correction, but they do come, and even that is a high, a low, a higher high, and a higher low. So do have it on your radar that particular level of resistance that you've broken through was never backtested of support. So if there is a larger correction, this is where I do think you'll become fruitful moving forward for Ethereum in this market. So yeah, it is moving upstairs. You're looking for a breakout relatively soon. I think the next impulsive break off that, you could be looking at a technical target of this inverse head and shoulders being met. And like I said to you here, when you broke out, look, you broke out here, you tested each level of point of resistance. I mean, look at that. That's where you run into resistance. That's where you run into resistance. The points of contact in a falling wedge is what creates the resistance when you start to retrace back up to those levels of resistance, and the top of the wedge, which is a technical target once you break the resistance. Okay, you can see it's conforming like a boss. So for me right now, potentially, because you've actually broken this high just there, you see this high, you've broken it. For me, you are actually an impulsive wave target, so I'm going to give you that impulsive wave target right now. You can see that pretty much Ethereum, if you do start to break this high right now, which you are breaking out. Look, you're above this local high just there. So for me, you are actually in an impulsive wave target to the 1618 at 51979. Okay, so you are moving up the stairs. If we can start to break out this high, I would imagine that you're just going to put a big massive impulsive wave up to that 5197. So that would be absolutely amazing, because from here right now, the continuation for Ethereum, in this bull market, you're looking at a whopping 24% long up right there for Ethereum. But please have this target in mind. If you do start to see a correction here, this WW bottom neckline was never back tested. Just please have it on your radar if we do correct, okay, because it will be a key level support that you will probably see hold. You know, if you do start to go up here like this, you up here like this, and you start to retrace, and you do start to lose a key level support in your retracement, because this is what happens. You move up impulsively and correctively. This for me would be a massive level of support, and could offer a fantastic opportunity going forward here for Ethereum in this bull market. You know, so yeah, you're slowly moving up the stairs. Your technical target is the 1618, 5197, because you took out this high right now and you're holding above it. You're coiling up in an ascending triangle and you're looking for the break, coming to that technical target of it, inverse head and shoulders, and a continuation to the 1618 at $5,197. So that's Ethereum. Take care, everyone. Back soon with another update on Ethereum. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.